Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can use a gift card on your Target app. So it's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, what you're going to be doing, of course, is that you want to open up your Target app, okay? And then select the Wallet tab, all right? Now, from here, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to select gift cards, all right? Select on gift cards and then just choose the gift card you'd like to add and to your account. So you can do this by, selecting add a payment in the wallet tab. All right. And then you just want to select the plus icon to basically add a new gift card to your wallet. All right. Or you can also, scan the gift card barcode or just manually enter the gift card number and just select save, and your Target app balance will update with the gift card amount. Now you can also add a third party gift cards, for example Visa, MasterCard, Amazon Express. You can add those as well, so you don't have to only add the Target ones. You can add other gift cards as well. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well, subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.